Imagine walking into your grandma's house, expecting cookies. Instead, she's staring at 6 monitors, yelling, "Buy the dip." Sounds crazy? Well, let's imagine what would happen if your grandma became a crypto trader.
Every morning starts the same. You wake up to 20 missed calls. You panic. "Grandma, is everything okay?" She whispers. "Bitcoin is down 4%. Don't tell your grandfather." Breakfast canceled. The pancakes can wait. The market can't. Instead of asking if you've eaten, she asks, "Did you buy the dip?" Her recipe book, gone. It's been replaced by a notebook full of support and resistance levels. She no longer bakes cookies. She bakes trading strategies. Family dinners become interesting. Your uncle starts talking about football. Grandma interrupts. Nobody cares. What's your exit strategy? Even your little cousin isn't safe. "Grandma, can I have $5? She replies, "No, but I can give you $5 worth of Bitcoin. You'll thank me in 10 years. Christmas is even stranger. No sweaters, no socks. Everyone gets a hardware wallet. Grandpa opens his gift. "Honey, what is this?" Grandma smiles. Financial freedom. If you're enjoying this completely unrealistic scenario, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. There are plenty more fun crypto stories coming. Then comes the bear market. The entire family is worried. Grandma, she's making tea. You ask, "Aren't you scared?" She laughs. "I've survived raising 3 kids. You think a 30% crash scares me?" The neighbors hear shouting from her house. They think she's arguing. She's actually celebrating because Bitcoin dropped another 10. Discount. One day your grandfather finally asks, "How much money have we made?" Grandma looks at the charts. Looks back at him. "We don't talk about realized profits in this house."
There's a whole lot of love left inside of me.
Her favorite TV show isn't cooking anymore. It's watching green candles. Her favorite weather forecast, bullish. Her favorite animal, the bull. Her least favorite, the bear. And every family photo now has one rule. Nobody says cheese. Everyone says to the moon. So maybe there's one lesson in all of this. Age doesn't matter in crypto. The market confuses everyone equally. Whether you're 18 or 80, Bitcoin has a special talent. It keeps everyone checking the price every 5 minutes. Now I want to ask you, if one member of your family suddenly became a crypto trader, who would be the funniest and why? Tell me in the comments. I can't wait to read your answers.